What's up, guys? Today we have the LOL Surprise pop-up store, and it's like this. And I already unboxed it. Here is the whole title, like the whole thing. And I'm just gonna put these in, and we're not wrapping it up yet. Okay. Go a little bit. Okay, guys, it's almost done. 100 hours and never finished. Okay, let's see what we have in the first bag. The little. Okay. We got Instagold. For the first thing, we got Instagold. Okay. What's next? What do we do next? I have a feeling there's something. Instagold glasses has to be somewhere. I put Instagold glasses. Okay, let's look at this actually. Oh, we got Instagold glasses. I knew it. How do I know it? Let's put it on her, which is gonna make her look cute and better, like this. So next, we're gonna open this. Okay. Oh. Okay. If you're watching this, just turn your head around a few times, and then you'll see it open. Okay, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay. Woo! This is hard. Work! Can you open it? Woo! Okay, guys. So far, look at Instagold. Okay. Oh, Instagold's cute backpack. This is her backpack. Let's put it on her and see if we can wear it on her and if it fits on her. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I don't think I can fit it, but I'll try to. Instagold! Do you hate your backpack? Okay, let me just take your glasses off. Perfect. Perfecty. And Instagold, if you don't put your backpack on right now this instant, you know what's gonna happen. Okay, Instagold, you're crazy. Okay, guys. I don't really know if I can fit her backpack.
Let me see.
So far, we're just gonna open these other surprises. Wow. The backpack is trying. Okay. Next, what do we have next up?
Here.
I think this is her outfit. It has to be her outfit. Okay, guys. I don't know if... Okay. Whew. Why are all these surprises?
Let me help.
Sorry. Okay, I better cut.
Look.
Just stare at my face. Okay, press the like button and subscribe. Okay. I like your shirt, Insty Goldie. Instagold, do you poop in your pants? Because you never want to wear your jacket. Insty, today, oh, it's your jacket. I mean your backpack. I need to take the backpack off. Okay. And what else going? I think I can. Nope, this. And this has to be her shoes. I did it. Okay, guys, as you can see, next up, we have Instagold's shoes. Hold on. Yes. We have Instagold's cute shoes, which you can see right there. That's one. Other looks the same thing. Instagoldie. Okay, you're a traveler, I guess. Oh, good. Okay, you guys. We're not done yet. We need a billion more. I'm joking. Okay. Can you go in ice water and warm water? See if she color changes. Guys, we're gonna see if this little girl right here color changes. Wow! Cooking water and cold water. Hot water and cold water. Okay, guys, as you can see right now, I broke the stickers. I'm joking. Stickers are perfect. I made a huge mess. Instagold, no shoes, no service, okay? Guys, remember to wear shoes, or no shoes, no service. Oh, whoops, I pooped. I'm joking. And stay! What's the matter with you? Okay. Insty, it's your last day, and I don't know what to do, but Insty, truth or dare? Truth, okay? Do you poop in your pants? Okay, Instagold, you totally poop in your pants. Insty! Fine. Oh, my friends are coming. Hi guys, I'm coming to set up. Ow. 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 Traveler, I found this backpack. I'm just gonna sit right here. My friends are coming. Treasure, Little Treasure, and Sleepy Bones, and Angel. Oh, hi, Instagold. Can I take a picture with you? Yeah, of course. Great, and another great. Oh, jeez! Ow. Okay, thanks, Instagold. I'm just gonna watch you play your show. Okay, no, I don't want to be in your show. Bye, Insty! Oh, no, I need to go shopping. Sorry, I need to go shopping. Ooh. I need this. I need that. I need this. I need my bottle. Where's my bottle? Where did it go? I got it. Hey guys. Guys, Little Treasure is telling you, Treasure and Instagold is telling you to like the video, subscribe to the video if you're new, and press the bell button. tastes like a pea.